Okay, everybody, we are on the TRS-80 system here. I typed in this program, which took a lot of time, entered in BASIC, and we're going to go ahead and just play Biorhythm. So I'm going to throw in a birth date here. Let's say October. Let's say the 24th. And let's say 88 is the year. And there's a syntax error on line 560. So let's see what I screwed up on line 560. Oh boy. Okay, let's try this again here. Okay, I see. So I just typed it in wrong. So we're going to go with 560. If something must be here that we need to define. So I'll fix this.